Hi everyone, I'm Atamiao. Next I will use actual operation to let everyone know what a convenient tool smart PBR engine is. First, open my tool. You might have set the map path. Then I selected the map path. You might well randomly select 3 materials for practice. You might select wood 65. I first copy the name of wood 65, then set it up here in my map name. The target material to search for is wood 65. Remember the material path of each map package must be separated by a comma. Next I choose rock. Then I choose the cave wall. Next I set the suffix name of the map. You might first look at wood 65. It can be seen here. It uses a map called OIM. Then normal map. Then height map is DP. Next base color is BP. Here we enter. The name we want to search for base color is BP. MIAO is ORM. Next normal is NP. Height map is DP. Next let's find the rock material package. The rock material package here is a bit special. It is richer. It puts the map name DAM.io into NP. And DAO and .p. These 3 maps out. If you fill in the suffix search name with MIO and metallic roughness AO, the smart PBR engine tool will prioritize grabbing single channel map, and the MIO map will be the secondary choice. If you choose to use the map with MIO as the representative, during the MIO part, we can go next to ORM and enter a comma, emerge as MIO. This way we can also search for the MIO map. Then here in the height map part, we append an HP. Then the last cave map material. The cave map material here, it splits each channel into RP. Then P and DAO. In this case we just key it as usual. Metal as MP. Roughness as RP. Normal as NP. Then height map HP no problem. After the channel names are defined, we can filter for scene object. Who do we want to assign it to, who to assign to? Now I want these 3 cube objects. We first copy its name. Here in the designated object of mesh, we create 3 empty objects. Then enter the specified object name. That's cube, then cube 1. Cube 2. Then I will assign to it this cave wall. Then I copy these 2 spheres again. As sphere 1. Sphere 2. Then I assign it the rock material. Then select these last 3. As sphere, then sphere 3. One thing to note here is, when naming your Blender objects, please try not to use decimal point symbols or special symbols to name them. This will cause some errors to occur when you transfer to the game engine. However, Smart PBR Engine tool has written a correction in debugging method that is for incorrect punctuation marks. It will automatically change it to an underscore by default. You can rest assured about this, but to remind everyone, I still need to explain first. You must first pay attention to this action. Here I will use the original one directly. Then I assign these 3 spheres as width 65. Next, I selected all the objects and go directly to match. Look and check my map data tool to see if it corresponds correctly. We can see the first cube object. Its MIO channel shows an exclamation mark, but metallic, roughness, and DO are all correctly grabbed. This is because this cave wall material uses individually split channels. So it is correct that this has no MRAO. After observing this, if you still feel uneasy, you can use the advanced map data tool to observe again, then see if the number of maps is correct. Checking here, there should be no problem. Then we directly create the shader with one click. Then we show the map in the browser to see if each one is pasted correctly. We can clearly see here, every map object has been automatically connected for us. Even if I hope that every map object, for example, these 3 cube objects now, its current definition is I didn't specify which shader it uses, but which shader it shares. Then we can see that the first cube, it creates the shader based on its own object name. So it is MCube. Then this one is cube 1. Now I want all 3 to share the same cube shader. Then what should be done? We only need to define my shader name here, and then assign it to it again. This way these 3 objects all use the same shader. You can see this one. It also changes back to MCube. This way, we can pack the scene objects and transfer them to the game engine. Transferring to the game engine, we will explain it in the next chapter. Next, I will demonstrate Smart PBR engine has an even lazier way. You might will first clear all the objects in the scene, and also clear the map names. Then these path settings of my map, I will keep them intact, and I will only change the names for the mesh objects. I hope this cube object is named with 65. Then this is with 65-1, with 65-2. Next is the sphere part. The sphere part here changes to rock. Then rock 1, rock 2. Then the last 2 are the cave wall. Then the cave wall 1. To make it convenient for everyone to observe the demonstration, we first clear all shaders. Then we can select all objects directly and assign them directly to it, because we have set everything up here. So in this way, we can directly assign it to it. It will automatically paste it for us. Amazing, right? Our Smart PBR tool also has a lazy option, which is I can use the specified name of the mesh to match the material package name, as long as the name is consistent. You can perform an automatic matching job. This will greatly save you a lot of working time.
That's the operation introduction of Smart PBR engine. Thank you for watching. I am Tamil.